Hey guys and girls, where am I looking at? I'm looking over there. Good morning. I just crawled out of bed not too long ago. I slept in today. I was really tired. But I have not got my coffee yet, so I am just going to put that disclaimer out there. I'm sort of just like The Walking Dead right now, so my brain's not functioning as well as it could. But I wanted to show you guys this. This just came in the mail, and thought I'd share it with you. This is one of my new tools. This is the Cold Steel Trail Boss. It is a light duty, light on the wallet axe. In case you didn't realize this was an axe. Features. It's not loaded with features. So I'll just run through, and I'm not an axe guy, so I will just run through and tell you what I know. Which isn't much. It's 6.5-inch head. It's got a 4.5-inch bit. Not too much of a beard on it. Yeah, not too much of a beard. It is, I think, 2 pounds, 2.5 pounds. Yes, it is made in Taiwan, but that's okay. We won't hold it against it. Obviously, it's not a Grants vs. Brooks. It's not a Wetterlings. It's not Swedish steel. I don't know what steel this is. Taiwanese steel, I guess. I do like the double circle inserts there to hold this together. No wobble, but I guess if there was going to be a wobble, I would feel it when I get into some wood. Let's talk about a little more about this blade here. You can see that it is, hi kitty, that it is highly varnished, which will definitely be coming off. I get it. It's good for protecting it while you're trying to keep it on the shelves, but it's got to come off. So we'll be getting rid of that. The blade itself, not very sharp. I suppose if I keep messing around with it, I'm gonna be sanguinating for you on YouTube. That's about an 17 or 18 degree. Let's see if we can get this in here. Edge. So just, please focus. Be nice today. Just a little more aggressive than, say, a Scandi grind, which is what I'd like to put on here. So I'll be taking the file and the puck to this, and we'll make it hair popping sharp for sure. See, there's no pole, basically, so, or at least no hammer pole. So we will not be smashing things, i.e. Cow skulls and ballistic skulls and things like that, even though Cold Steel puts that on their promotional video. We will not be doing that. I can't figure out why I'd be doing that anyway. Balance, I think it's right about here, I think. Yeah. So there's plenty of forward weight, which is good for getting into a good chop. The handle itself, I am sort of about. Like all trees in the forest, if you look close enough, you'll see that they are labeled genuine hickory. No. As far as grain goes, this one, and this could be an off one, I'm not sure. But I'm going to say that I'm not too thrilled with it, although I don't think that I'm going to be let down. The grains start straight. And then as we move up the back, I don't know if you can get this, we get a little bit of twist, like an M. Night Shyamalan film. It's got that twist. So Is that going to compromise the integrity of this handle? I don't know. Maybe. And if it does, I'll just replace it. I paid $30 with shipping for this thing. So if it was a Wetterlings or a Gransfors Brooks, you bet your bottom dollar I would be unhappy, and I would expect everything to be perfect, especially for a $200 axe, whatever they're going for these days. So this changed from what I've seen. So this used to come out, it used to be really thin here, and then it would come out and then taper back down. And I see that somebody, I guess, modified this. When I say somebody, I mean somebody at Cold Steel said, we need to look at this, because it did look hideous. I think this is a better design, at least aesthetically. Is it good for finer tasks? Well, I'm squeezing it, and you know, I'm not. I guess I'm squeezing it a little hard, but I am getting a hot spot right there, so right along here, and a little bit of pressure because of that swell. But you know, if I'm getting in there and shaving my knuckles, as I do around the campfire, I suppose that it won't be for any extended amount of time. I have several knives to do fine carving tasks, and I guess that would just be a last resort if I had to. You know, that there's a lot of cat hair. That there is no one tool that does everything, and you'd be fooling yourself if you thought there was. I'll probably put some measurement marks along the back just to help, so that I can measure stuff and junk and things and junk, and help out around camp. So my overall impression is for $30. Yeah, I mean, it's not bad by a long shot for $30. Is it comparable to $150, $160 axe? No, it isn't. You're not gonna. You're just not. You're not gonna get the same quality. But I don't have $150 or $160. But I did have $30. So this will work. I'm gonna make a mask for it. It doesn't come with a mask. I don't know if I said that already. Again, I'm not awake. I have some Kydex laying around, so I may do a Kydex sheath for this. But I also have some leather, and I would like to practice my saddle stitching, so I may just do a leather mask as well. Try my hand at that. Plus, I think it looks classier. Maybe I'll actually, if I do that, I can put some leather on here as well, and that might make this a little more comfortable. So, I will be putting this. I'll be putting this under the puck in the file, and then I'll be putting it to use at some point. So, after I go all Jack Nicholson on some firewood, I'll let you know what I think. So hopefully this is useful information, or it's informative. Take from it what you will. I am going to put this down and go get some coffee, because I need some badly. Hopefully you enjoyed it. You got something out of it, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya.